Welcome. To solve this question simultaneously by using substitution method, x raised to power 2 minus y raised to power 2 equals 3, and 2x raised to power 2 plus xy minus 2y raised to power 2 equals 4. What will be the value of x and y? Let's number this as 1 and the second one as 2. Now, from 1, which is x raised to power 2 minus y raised to power 2 equals 3. Let's make x raised to power 2 to the subject of the formula. So that will be x raised to power 2 equals 3, minus here will become plus at the other side of the equation, plus y raised to power 2. Now, let's substitute this into the second equation. That will be 2 into 3 plus y raised to power 2 plus y into, since x raised to power 2 is equal to this, so therefore x will be equal to square root of 3 plus y raised to power 2. Therefore this will now become square root of 3 plus y raised to power 2 minus 2y raised to power 2 equals 4. Let's open this bracket. That will be 6 plus 2y raised to power 2 plus y square root of 3 plus y raised to power 2 minus 2y raised to power 2 equals 4. This plus 2y raised to power 2 and minus 2y raised to power 2 will be equal to 0. So it will left 6 plus y square root of 3 plus y raised to power 2 equals 4. Now, let's collect the like time. This will be y square root of 3 plus y raised to power 2 equals 4 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. Then it will left y square root of 3 plus y raised to power 2 equals minus 2. Now, let's introduce square roots. Let's introduce square to the both sides. That will be y square into square root of 3 plus y square all raised to power 2 equals minus 2 all raised to power 2. So this will be y squared. This will cancel the square root. That will be into bracket 3 plus y squared equals 4. Now, let's open these brackets. It will be 3y square plus y raised to power 2 times y raised to power 2, that is y raised to power 4 equals 4. Now, this will be y raised to power 4 plus 3y raised to power 2 minus 4. By collecting this to the left hand side, that will be equal to 0. Now, let's y raised to power 2 equals k. So by substituting this into this, we have this can be split to y raised to power 2 all raised to power 2 plus 3y raised to power 2 minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, this will now become k raised to power 2 plus 3k minus 4 equals 0. Then, this will now be the factors of 4 is 2 times 2 or 1 times 4. To get this plus 3, that will be by using 4 and 3. And to get this plus 3, that will be plus 4 minus 1. That will be k raised to power 2 plus 4k minus k minus 4 equals 0. Then let's factorize out k from this one. That will be k into k plus 4. Then let me factorize minus 1 out of this one. That will be k plus 4 equals 0. Therefore, we have k plus 4 here, k plus 4 here. That will be k plus 4 into k minus 1 equals 0. This implies that k plus 4 equals 0 or k minus 1 equals 0. Then k will be equal to minus 4 here, or k will also be equal to 1. Now remember that our k is equal to y raised to power 2. Therefore, y raised to power 2 will be equal to minus 4, or y raised to power 2 will be equal to 1. Now, by introducing square root to both sides, that will be y equals to plus or minus square root of minus 4, or y equals to plus or minus square root of 1. Now, to find this square root of minus 4, this will be y equals plus or minus square root of minus 1 times 4, or y equals to plus or minus square root of 1, that is 1. And for this one, remember that square root of minus 1 is equal to I, which is complex number. By using this will now be y equals plus or minus, the square root of 4 is 2 and square root of minus 1 is I, or y equals plus or minus 1. Now let's substitute this value of y into this equation, which is x raised to power 2 equals 3 plus y raised to power 2. From x raised to power 2 equals 3 plus y raised to power 2. From this, let's substitute when y equals plus or minus 2i. So this will now be x raised to power 2 equals 3 plus our y is plus or minus 2i all raised to power 2. So this will now be x raised to power 2 equals 3 plus minus times minus, that is plus, plus times plus, that is plus as well. So 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, and I, remember I is equal to square root of minus 1. So I raised to power 2 will be equal to square root of minus 1 all raised to power 2, where this will cancel the power. So that will be, it will left into minus 1. Now x raised to power 2 will now be equal to 3. This will be minus 4. Then this is equal to minus 1. X raised to power 2 equals minus 1. Now let's introduce square roots to both sides. That will be x equals square plus or minus square root of minus 1, which is equal to plus or minus I. Let's do the second one when y is equal to plus or minus 1. So that will be x raised to power 2 equals 3 plus y raised to power 2. From here, when y equals plus or minus 1. So x will now be x raised to power 2 will now be equal to 3 plus or minus 1 all raised to power 2. Now this will be x raised to power 2 equals 3 plus times plus equal to plus, minus times minus is also equal to plus. So 1 raised to power 2, that is also 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1, which is 4. So x will now be equal to, by introducing square root to both sides, that will be plus or minus square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. So our solution to the given question will be x will be equal to plus or minus I, or x equals to plus or minus 2. Y will be equal to plus or minus 2i, or y will be equal to plus or minus 1. So these are the solutions to the given question. Thank you for watching.